Hey, how are you tonight? Are you cozy? Are you ready? Because I have a magical story, and I need you to join Bluey and Bingo. Yes, you. So open your ears, open your heart, and let's begin. One quiet morning, Bluey walked into the forest. Can you imagine the sound of the leaves rustling in the wind? Do you hear it in your mind? Suddenly, she stopped because right in front of her stood a giant old tree. Its branches huge, its trunk strong. And then, guess what? It spoke. Hello, Bluey. Hello, little one. Wait, did you hear that? A tree talking. What would you do if a tree spoke to you? Bluey gasped. A talking tree. This is amazing. She called Bingo. Come here, Bingo. You won't believe this. Bingo ran fast, her eyes wide. Wow, hello, Mr. Tree. The tree laughed softly. I have a secret, but only if you're brave enough to listen. Are you brave too? Little listener. Yes, you. Are you brave? Bluey nodded. Bingo jumped up and down. We're brave. Tell us. The tree whispered. Deep inside the forest, there's a glowing crystal. It can only be found by those who believe in magic. Do you believe in magic? Bluey shouted. Yes, we believe. And you too. Say it loud. Yes. So the sisters ran, step by step. Do you feel it? Running with them, the leaves crunching under your feet, the wind on your face. They followed the light, brighter and brighter, until suddenly, whoosh, the crystal appeared, glowing like a star. Bluey gasped. Look, Bingo. Look, everyone. We found it. Bingo clapped her paws. It's so shiny. Can you imagine holding that crystal? Can you feel the magic buzzing in your hands? But then, the crystal whispered softly. Close your eyes. Make a wish, and I will keep it safe. Bluey closed her eyes. Bingo too. How about you? Yes, you. Close your eyes for a moment. Make a wish. Did you do it? Good. The forest grew quiet. The lights softer. The crystal faded away. But the warmth stayed in their hearts. Bluey smiled. Thank you, Mr. Tree. Thank you, Crystal. Bingo hugged her sister. Good night, Bluey. Good night, everyone. And now, as the stars twinkle above, it's time for you two to close your eyes. Take a deep breath and drift slowly into your sweetest dreams ever. Good night. Sleep tight.